What is up, everybody? Hope your day's going well. Back down south trying to find stuff. So I found the Dream Motel. Not much of a dream anymore, but it might have looked pretty at one point. I'm sorry, there's writing on the wall. I was trying to discern what it said, but it didn't have very good penmanship. But yeah, so little place. Let's just see. Yeah, it's just a motel, but kind of cool nonetheless. I drove around the outside. Anybody home? There's a toilet seat on the wall. Oh, that's me. I was like, oh my god, something's walking around. So yeah. So I gotta remember that's the one I started with. We are in Indiana right now. I couldn't tell you what part because I just did some filming in Kentucky. And on the way here, on the way back home, I'm trying to find places, and obviously got to cut through Indiana to get to Chicago. Not really. I did notice this place is obviously pretty tagged up. I could see, I know you guys can't, but there is nothing in there in that little shed. But lot of tagging. It says F12s or F12. The 12 is the police, if you didn't know. But yeah, I'm about 6 hours from home. About 6 hours out of Chicago. Anybody home? Your little basket. I mean, well, it's just just a headboard. Left. Yeah, all these are going to be the exact same. Sorry if this is not as intriguing as some of my other videos. We're basically just getting a whole bunch of swear words. I mean, there's not much to this place. Even the furniture, everything's been taken out. This seems like it would be somewhat of a cool, I guess, hangout if you were young and dumb. Most of us were or are. Sorry. Can't really do much about the glass all over the ground. One thing I do like about this neighborhood is I have seen a lot of bikes. I am not here on my bike, unfortunately, but anybody home? Waiting for an animal. I opened the itty bitty titty committee door. Can't believe I just said that. Yeah, sorry for somewhat of a boring one. I don't know, I find this kind of boring just because of the sheer cool stuff that we've been to before. Oh yeah, pill bottles and cigarettes, broken buildings, it all goes together. So there's a hole that leads into what looks like a basement. I feel it would sound like I'm gonna enter it. There's just pipes, just plumbing. Yeah, so someone's temporary home at some time. An old sink. There's a Bible on the floor. It's just cool to be, I don't know. It's cool to me to go through something that's obviously a shell. I actually have that FTW. I have it tattooed on my arm right here. And it doesn't mean F the world. Well, some people, yeah, some people write it for that. That's not why I got mine. I love the world, man. I'd drive a Tesla if I could afford it. There's a couple people sitting here drinking monsters. Probably shooting up, but I ain't gonna judge you. Yeah, this is nothing. I'm sorry, guys. Try to find some good stuff, and you know, sometimes you pass and it's... Ooh, I'm sorry, that was me. If that scared you, you have to make your grandma sub. No rules. Wow, okay. Huh. So yeah, not a small place, but the rooms are extremely tinky. Whoa. What is this? Anybody home? Does this not look like a freaking cool setup for like a music video? Like stand in front of it and do your thing? God, grapes. That's neat. I like that. I don't know why. For those of you who don't know, these are televisions. Look at that. Look at that damn thing. This one's called a Masterpiece. I've never even heard of that brand. RCA, everyone knows RCA. Alright, well, again, someone just threw this damn TV through a window. Okay, and this is where the mattresses live. So I was just, like I said, I was just in Kentucky, and I get out to film something, and there's these stray dogs that are following me everywhere. They're following my car. And I'm like, that's neat. And I'm like, what the hell's up with all these stray dogs? I'm also hurrying because my battery's low. I tried not to complain about my battery, but it's about dead. Anybody home? Oh, is that thing? It was tipped over on its side, or on its face. It looks like the other side was something. Leave now? No. That dude already said no. Just walls. Patoka gang was here. I'm from Chicago, man. I know what a gang is. I don't know about around here. People don't give me that kind of vibe. But anyhow, just wanted to share whatever I passed. I wish it was more abundant, but hope you enjoyed anyway. If this is your first time watching, I promise the other videos, like every other one, I believe, in my opinion anyway, every other one's better than this one. There's more stuff and yada yada, but still, vacant hotel. Well, not vacant, completely. You wouldn't want to sleep here. All right, have a beautiful day. Hope everything's going just right for you in the world. Hope you're staying healthy and happy. Another mattress room. Trying to pick up anything with the naked eye. Oh, nothing. All right. You guys have a lovely life. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't. You know how to work YouTube. All right. Like every time. Love y'all.